Assalamu alaikum everyone. Once again, welcome back to another video. So this is Raihan Ahmed. Welcome back to today's practice class. So guys, hope you guys practice English, speak English, learn English step by step, speak English with confidence. So guys, let's get started to this practice class. So guys, you guys are able to see there is a large Haor around me. There is a big field. There are a number of cows in the field. Okay, there are a number of players in the field. They are playing football. So guys, you guys are enjoying the beauty of the nature. So guys, hope you guys are practicing, hope you guys are speaking slowly but surely. So guys, inshallah, day after day you will be able to speak English fluently. Don't worry about of making mistakes. Every mistake gives a new opportunity to learn. Every mistake is a new opportunity. A man who never make a mistake is the man never does anything. So guys, no need to be worry, no need to be nervous of making mistakes. We have to be fluent, we have to be confident. We need confidence, nothing else. So guys, you have to practice, you have to confidence so that you are able to speak fluently. Nothing will facilitate to you. Only you need confidence. No need to be perfect, because perfection is not significant than confidence. So guys, you have to practice. You have to practice every single day. So guys, you guys are able to see there are a number of players in the field. They are playing and they are calling to go there and enjoy their. Okay, so guys, just hang on a minute. After some time we are practicing. So you guys are able to see the greenery beauty of the nature. The Haor Baor is so pleasant. Birds are singing. So guys, you guys are able to see beautiful greeneries, cows in the field, enjoying the beauty of the nature. This is a beautiful area around me. There is a beautiful Haor in front of me. The Haor looks very beautiful today. You guys are able to see. Please look, the Haor is very beautiful, amazing, outstanding, splendid today. The water is spread over a large area. You guys are able to see. The water spread out over a large area. There is a Baor near this area. You guys are able to see. The water in the Beel looks very beautiful. The water is look very beautiful. You guys are able to see the water in the Beel look very beautiful. Water hyacinth look very amazing as well. You guys are able to see the green field. You guys are able to see the green field make the area look amazing. The fresh air makes me feel relaxed. I can hear the sound of the bird around me. You guys are able to see. You guys are able to hear sound of the birds. Nature look very beautiful. Nature looks beautiful in this area. People come here to enjoy the beauty of the nature. The surrounding area are quiet and peaceful. I really enjoy walking around this beautiful place. The beautiful environment reminds me how wonderful nature is. You guys are able to hear the players, a number of players calling me to join their. So just hang on a minute, I am going there. So guys, they are calling to join a number of players, several players. So guys, you guys are enjoying the beauty of the nature. So you guys no need classroom. You can practice. You guys are able to practice yours regarding surrounding area. So every single day, every single morning I come here. I wake up early in the morning and I come here to practice to speak. So guys, you guys are also able to get up or wake up early in the morning, or you don't need classroom to speak English. So guys, I come here to speak English. You guys are able to see. So you guys are able to see there are a number of players sitting there taking rest. Our another player, you guys are able to see, they're enjoying the game. So a little player in the field, they're playing. So amazing green field, you guys are enjoying. So every single day they come here, they come here to play football. So it's amazing, outstanding for physical exercise. So every single person need physical exercise to make fit everyone. So I'm trying to practice, I'm trying to physical exercise every single day. So you guys are able to see the sky is too cloudy, rain may come. You guys are able to see the water of the Beel, the amazing water. The waters look very splendid. The player ready to play in the field. So guys, in the field, the players, a number of players enjoying hydration break. So after some time, game will start. Game will start again. So guys, the player ready to play. So after some time I will join the game. So guys, last of all I would like to request, please practice every single day. You have to practice. No need to join any classroom. You don't need classroom. You can speak your surrounding area. You guys are able to see the surrounding area is so amazing. Okay, the Haor, the Baor, the Beel, the water of the Beel, so amazing, outstanding. Okay, it's make me feel relaxed. It's make me delightful, cheerful as well. So guys, you have to practice every single day. You have to first of all you have to wake up early in the morning so that you can practice. Okay, so guys, you can practice your surrounding area, regarding surrounding area. So guys, inshallah, day after day or one day you will speak fluently. Speak slowly but clearly, speak slowly but surely. So guys, no more today, see you some other time. Until then, assalamu alaikum. Do subscribe my channel.